Microbiome mental health. Monday, your belly is your best friend, healing our Buddha belly for inner peace in a toxic world. By Deanne Barry, creator of the Buddha Berry Tree Method. If you had told me a few years ago that the path to peace would lead straight through my gut, I'm not sure I would have believed you. My journey through addiction, trauma, and chronic illness taught me to see my body as a battlefield. But now I see it as a garden, one that needs diversity like a jungle with 30 different bites of fiber foods a week to truly thrive. The turning point came when I learned a startling fact. Diet Coke can clean the rust stains off a toilet bowl. It stopped me cold. Think of your gut as your second brain. It produces more neurotransmitters than your actual brain does. A sad, inflamed gut equals a sad, inflamed mind. An anxious, reactive gut equals an anxious, reactive mind. A calm, well-tended gut equals a calm, well-tended mind. Your microbiome is your mood. Your belly is your best friend on the path to peace. You are not broken. You are blooming. Healing is a marathon of 1,000 tiny steps. Each time you choose water over poison, you are laying one more brick in the seal of your gut. Addiction peace is not about perfection. It's about compassion. It's choosing your gut over guilt. It's choosing your peace over old patterns. You are not just quitting a drink. You are reclaiming your terrain. With solidarity and hope, Deanne Barry.